Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to boost your productivity, save time, and stay ahead in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 5 game-changing AI tools that are reshaping how we work and think. From building workflows without code using Gumloop, to writing code faster with Cursor, automating everything with Zapier, summarizing meetings instantly using Fathom, and learning faster with NotebookLM. These tools are not just cool, they're powerful. Stick around as we explore each one in detail and show you how to actually use them in your real workflow. Let's dive in. Tool number 1, Gumloop. What it is: Gumloop is a no-code platform that lets you build interactive AI workflows or apps using drag-and-drop components. So instead of writing code, you use these building blocks to make things. Here's what you can do with Gumloop. You can create chatbot-like apps where the user inputs text and gets a response back. You can build data tools like Excel add-ons that work with formulas and user inputs. You can also create automations to send messages, schedule posts, or fetch data from various sources. What makes Gumloop powerful is its integration with multiple AI models like OpenAI or Claude, not just chat. And the best part is you don't need to code to learn it. You just have to drag and drop. In fact, anyone with zero tech skills can use Gumloop. But if you're familiar with web development, you'll find it much easier. That said, let me show you how to use Gumloop in 6 easy steps. Step 1. Go to the website and sign up either with Google or your email. Step 2. Click New App. Now name your project. For example, let's say we want to make an interactive resume generator. Step 3. Now start dragging and dropping different blocks. First, let's add a text input block where the user can enter their details. Next, let's add the OpenAI API block. This will process the user's input and generate text based on the prompt you set. Now we need to tell it to use GPT-4. Click on the settings icon, choose model, select GPT-4, and then specify whether you want to use the free or the paid version. You can even customize the temperature here. Step 4. Now set your prompt. Let's keep it simple. Generate a resume based on the details below, and connect it to the previous block by clicking the line between them. We now have a basic workflow that takes user input and generates a resume. Let's quickly test it out. Step 5. Click on Run Test. Now type in some details and click Submit. The OpenAI API block will run and generate a result which will be shown to the user. Step 6. Once you're happy with how it works, click Deploy and share the link. Your interactive AI resume generator is now ready. You can share it with others who can use it to create their own resumes. Gumloop allows you to explore many more advanced features like adding multiple API calls or using variables. If you're just getting started, you can check out their pre-made templates too. Some examples include an AI resume generator, LinkedIn lead generator, content idea generator, and more. Tool number 2, Cursor. What it is: imagine having chat built into your code editor. That's essentially what Cursor offers. It's an AI-powered code editor like VS Code with a bunch of AI features. Whether you're coding in Python, JavaScript, C# or any other language, Cursor can help you speed things up. One of the cool things about Cursor is that it's not just a separate tool. It's an integrated development environment that has everything you need in one place. You've got the code editor, a terminal, file explorer, the AI sidebar. Speaking of which, the AI sidebar is the heart of Cursor. It's where you can ask GPT for anything related to your code. Whether you're stuck on a bug, need help understanding someone else's code, or want to learn a new concept, the sidebar is your go-to spot. In addition, you can highlight a piece of code and ask GPT-4 to explain it to you, refactor it, or debug it. Cursor also has inline suggestions as you type. It suggests code completions and even corrects your mistakes in real time. To use Cursor, just install it on your computer, then create an account. Once you log in, you can start working on projects immediately. But if you want to import an existing project, you can do that too. You can bring in projects from GitHub or paste the code directly. Now let's look at a few examples of how people are using Cursor. Fixing bugs and errors. Let's say you've got a Python script that's giving you an error. Instead of spending ages figuring it out, you can highlight the error message. Press Command K and ask GPT-4 to fix the error. Learning new concepts. Maybe you're trying to use a library or a framework that you've never used before. You can ask GPT-4 to explain it to you step by step and even write some basic code to get you started. Refactoring legacy code. If you're working on a project that has messy code, you can ask GPT-4 to help you clean it up. This can save you hours of effort and prevent headaches. So if you're a developer looking to level up your coding game, consider giving Cursor a try. Third tool, Fathom. What it is? Fathom is like having a personal assistant in your Zoom or Google Meet calls. It's an AI meeting assistant that records, transcribes, and summarizes your meetings automatically with Fathom. You don't have to worry about taking notes or trying to remember what was discussed. Fathom captures everything and presents it to you in an organized way. All you need to do is connect Fathom to your Zoom or Google Meet account, and it does the rest. Let's take a look at how you can use Fathom in 6 simple steps. Step 1. Go to the website and sign up using Google. Step 2. Allow Fathom to access your calendar and Zoom Meet account. Step 3. Now Fathom will automatically join your scheduled meetings. However, if you want to start a recording manually, you can do that as well. Step 4. During the meeting, Fathom will transcribe everything in real time. You can listen to the recording and follow along with the transcript. Step 5. While listening, click on the button to tag highlights like action items, decisions, or important points. Step 6. After the meeting, you'll get 3 things: a full transcript, a bullet point summary, and the ability to share or export the summaries to places like Notion or Slack. When it comes to business meetings, client calls, or team gatherings, Fathom can prove to be invaluable. It helps you save time, remember everything, and stay productive. If you're finding this video helpful so far, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tips. Now let's talk about the 4th tool, Zapier. What it is? Zapier is a tool that lets you connect different apps together. It does this through something called zaps. Think of zaps as little mini programs that run automatically when something happens in one app. For example, let us say you have a Facebook page and you want to automatically save any new messages or comments to a Google Sheet. You can make a zap that watches your Facebook page. Whenever there's a new message or comment, it will automatically copy that data and paste it into a sheet. You don't have to do anything manually. Zapier does it all for you. You might be wondering why you need this. Well, most apps don't talk to each other very well. They're like friends who speak different languages. Zapier acts as the translator and connector. It lets them share information smoothly. Now let's break down how to create a zap in 6 easy steps. Step 1. Go to the website and create a free account. Step 2. Choose the apps you want to connect. For instance, let's choose Gmail and Google Sheets. Step 3. Click on Create a Zap. Step 4. Now choose the Trigger app and Action app. You can choose different apps for each of these. For our example, we chose Gmail as the Trigger app and Google Sheets as the Action app. After that, you can add filters or formatters depending on your needs. Step 5. Test the Zap to see if it's working correctly. Step 6. Turn on the Zap and watch it work its magic. You can monitor its activity and edit it whenever you need to. Here are some examples of how Zapier can be useful. Automatically save leads from Facebook to Sheets. Whenever you get a new lead on Facebook, Zapier can automatically add them to a spreadsheet for you. Get Slack messages when new Stripe payments arrive. You can set up a Zap to notify you in Slack whenever someone pays you through Stripe. Create tasks in Notion from emails. If you get emails that require action, you can create a Zap that automatically turns them into tasks in Notion. And now we come to the 5th and final tool, NotebookLM. What it is? NotebookLM is a tool developed by Google that helps you learn from your own documents, PDFs, or research papers. It lets you upload your sources and ask AI to generate insights, summaries, or answer questions based only on what you've uploaded. It's like having a personal research assistant that can quickly sift through tons of information and give you exactly what you need. Let's take a look at how it works. Step 1. Go to the site. At the moment, it's only available in certain regions, so you might need to check if it's available to you. Step 2. Create a notebook. Click on New Notebook. Step 3. Now add your sources. You can upload PDFs, Google Docs, or even text that you copied and pasted. These become the memory for your AI assistant. Step 4. Now start asking questions based on the documents you've uploaded. You can ask it to summarize key points, compare sections, or even explain complex ideas in simple terms. Step 5. NotebookLM will generate answers and highlight the sections from your documents that it used as references. Step 6. You can ask as many questions as you want and explore your sources in more depth. NotebookLM can be a game changer when it comes to research, learning, or just making sense of large documents. Whether you're a student trying to understand a thick textbook or a professional diving into a lengthy report, this tool can save you a lot of time and effort. And that's a wrap on the top 5 AI tools. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more powerful AI content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring with AI. Goodbye.